Hello everyone, I am Fumio from Matsuura Machinery. How often do you perform machine maintenance? With proper and regular maintenance, our machines can maintain the same performance for many years. Many Matsuura customers run lights out, unattended machining overnight and throughout the weekend. If there is an unexpected breakdown during this time, huge losses can occur. Therefore, detecting and taking care of small issues before they become serious are critical. Maintenance is essential to lowering costs, reducing equipment downtime, and improving your machine's lifespan and efficiency. Some operators resist performing maintenance since the machine is currently working well. They may not understand the importance of doing so, or even how to complete certain maintenance procedures such as cleaning, inspecting, and replacing parts. For those Matsuura customers, Matsuura has recently launched our new service, MyMatsuura. MyMatsuura is a members-only service for Matsuura owners. This exclusive program provides video and image tutorials of operation manuals, maintenance procedures, and standard operating procedures to ensure your Matsuura machine performs efficiently. Many Matsuura customers are utilizing this free program. As of May 2023, over 800 licenses have been issued. Currently, there are over 70 informative videos uploaded and more scheduled. Videos related to cleaning, oiling, and exchanging batteries are also available. For instance, if you install batteries incorrectly, you may lose the machine data. MyMatsuura shows all the procedure including touch operation on the actual display. Therefore, even if the person is new to the machine, the risk of mistakes will be minimized. As I discussed in the beginning of this video, we do not want our machine to suddenly fail. To avoid breakdowns, monitoring the machine status is so important, but it can be difficult for end users to perform machine diagnosis like service engineers from machine tool builders do. How can I maintain my Matsuura at the same level?
Hi, Fumio-san. There is a solution.
You are...
I am Akimoto from Renishaw.
Renishaw is the Renishaw? The engineering company?
Yes. By the way, we have a great product that can solve your problem. It is QC20, a wireless bubble system. This is a measuring device popular in professional machine tool builders. With QC20, you do a regular health check on your machine and you can visualize its condition.
I see. Health check on the machine, inspecting accuracy. Checking the machine state continuously, you can identify age deterioration precisely. In this way, you can schedule proper maintenance beforehand. But Akimoto-san, you said professionals are using this bubble system. Isn't it difficult to use?
Fumio-san, with QC20, anybody can do an accuracy check in 10 minutes.
Just 10 minutes? It sounds so easy.
Because it is wireless. You can set it up so easily. Measuring is done by the machine program automatically. This eliminates inconsistencies among the inspectors.
It sounds so convenient. If you are interested in predictive or preventive maintenance, this will be a great fit. By the way, what is predictive and preventive maintenance exactly?
Fumio-san, please let me explain how general machine users perform maintenance. The most popular one is corrective maintenance. Corrective maintenance means that repair or maintenance is implemented after machine fails. Then, the machine is restored to a normal operating state. Of course, in this way, machine downtime is longer, and more costs will be involved.
I see. This is what our customers really want to avoid. If they experienced machine failure once, they would prefer to have completed maintenance.
Now, predictive maintenance and preventive maintenance are becoming popular. Doing machine diagnosis on a regular basis, you will get to know the signs of deterioration and perform proper maintenance beforehand. Consequently, you can avoid critical machine breakdowns and use a machine for a longer time. Of course, planned maintenance can assist in creating an efficient production schedule.
It sounds great! It seems important to know the maintenance schedule precisely and exactly how to do it regularly.
You are right. I believe some operators perform frequent accuracy checks, but quit because it can be time-consuming. With Renishaw QC20, you can perform an inspection in 10 minutes. It is also very simple to check the machine diagnosis and history. Let me show you how to use QC20. First, position the base on the table. This is a magnet. Set the tool to the spindle. If you position the tool close enough to the setting ball, they will get connected by magnet. Then push the lever to lock the pivot. At this position, reset the machine's XYZ coordinates to 0. After that, place a ball ball between the base and the tool. All you need to do is to run the diagnosis program, which was generated from the software. As you see, this is a very simple test of a circular interpolation program. When it is completed, the diagnostic result is shown. Next to the precise path of the circular interpolation program, the top 5 possible causes that make the path destroyed are listed.
Akimoto-san, how is this result?
As expected, this Matsuura is impressive. This shows great accuracy, and I do not have anything to tell you.
Is that so? That really eases my mind.
Fumio-san, it is too soon to be free from care. No matter how great the machine is, it cannot keep their accuracy forever. According to the use, the machine could age faster, and the accuracy could get worse. Please see this sample result. Due to the wear of the machine, the backlash influences on machine performance greatly. If you see this, you should contact your local Matsuura distributor.
With this information, our service team can take prompt action. As a result, downtime during maintenance can be minimized.
In addition, If you do this check on a regular basis, you can easily see the history of the change in machine accuracy.
The sooner you notice the change and do proper maintenance, the longer your machine can run in good condition. We talked about Renishaw's QC20. Their concept of predictive and preventive maintenance sounds very interesting. Again, unexpected machine breakdowns could cause huge losses because Matsuura machines run lights out during nights and weekends. Therefore, maintenance is so important.
Actually, few end users do predictive or preventive maintenance, but the need to check accuracy for better throughput is increasing.
Indeed, performing regular maintenance activities will help prevent possible unexpected failures.
QC20 can help you do predictive and preventive maintenance easily. If you perform maintenance on your own, please contact us.
Thank you for watching and see you next time.